Are you enjoying staying with me? Uh-oh. Hey, Freyja. What you do? What you gonna do now? Okay. I told you that cats get more affectionate with time, right? Like, when she was younger, this wasn't possible. But when she was a kitten, of course, she was all over me all the time. But then she was an adult. And then as an adult, she wasn't this affectionate and this lap catty. And now she's kind of regressed into a kitten again, in a way. But she's only 5, so... But she'll be 6 in September. She's still young, but she's just become more affectionate. Everybody changes as they get older. They go through different periods and stages in their lives. So I guess she's on to a different stage in her life where she likes to be near us